everyone, your girl is back on with another vinyl tutorial to share with you. I got this vinyl here from Yamation on Amazon. And here are the colors that come in the pack. There's black, white, red, and yellow. And this is the stackable design that I created within Cricut Design Space. It's my first time doing this, so I hope it works out good. So I just send it to my Cricut to be cut. And now we are going to weed the vinyl, which this vinyl weeds very good. I like weeding any kind of iron-on vinyl. I find that they weed much easier. And this one didn't disappoint. It continued the trend. Okay, so now that I've weeded everything, I'm going to cut them down so I have less carrier sheet because it is stackable. So I'll be placing them on to my t-shirt all together. So I don't want no overlapping with the carrier sheet to ruin any design, whatever layer I have underneath it. So now we have our Vivor swing away heat press that I'll be using. And I set the machine at 310 for 15 seconds. Now I did a temperature check to see which temperature it would lift at. The regular puff vinyls are at 280, but this one I had to bring it up to 310 for 15 seconds. Then the vinyl puffed really nice. Okay everyone, here is the t-shirt that I'm using. Just a regular 100% cotton t-shirt. So we're just gonna heat it up for a few seconds to help take out any moisture that might be in the t-shirt. And now we have the lint roll to take off any lint that is on it, the t-shirt. And then I'll be pressing the t-shirt in half to help get a crease down the center. It helps to lay our saying in the center of the t-shirt. So now because it's multiple pieces I have, I'm just going to be laying them down so I get an idea of where to place the centerpiece first. Okay, I'm going to fold the centerpiece in half. The middle one that I'm putting down first. I shouldn't say centerpiece. So now that I have it in place, I'm going to remove the other sheets and I'll be pressing this one first. Now, I seen another YouTuber and she pressed the puff vinyl more than once, but it was a thin one, like how I have a thin piece here. So I'm going to try it today. So now I'm going to start stacking our other pieces in. Now I did cut the carrier sheet as close as possible so I don't have any overlapping. So now we're just going to place all our pieces down. And I know they say not to press the puff more than once, but this lady pressed it twice and I'm going to try too. So wish me good luck. Now we're going to press all our pieces together. Okay, now it's finished. Let's see. Yes, it puffed. It puffed. And the black piece is not flattened, it's still puffed. It looks very nice. I know the camera is not doing it justice. I love how this turned out. I love the puff vinyl and it feels very puffed. Alright everyone, here is the shirt on. Let me give you a closer look. Here is the shirt here. I'm not sure if you can tell that it's puff vinyl. The camera is not doing it justice, but it is puffed out and I think it looks so nice. Whoops. Let me move my cord. Sorry about that, y'all. I forgot about my tubing. Yeah, so like I was saying, camera's not doing it justice. It looks very nice. It feels very nice. You can feel that it's puffed out from the t-shirt. I think it looks very nice. And what do you think I did for my first time doing a stacked look like this? I like how it turned out, very nice. And the outlining is still puffy. I'm not sure if it's because it's an outline, but I pressed it. You saw I pressed it more than once, and it's still puffy. Maybe because it's the outline. Maybe if it was a fuller look, probably would have went flat. But because it's the outline, it's still puffy. And I love how it turned out. Super cute. So my final thought on this, oh gosh, Yamation puff 3D puff vinyl is I would give it an 8 out of 10. And why I say 8 out of 10, because I had to play around with the settings to get the right temperature to press this at. As you saw, I pressed it at 310 for 15 seconds. Other vinyls that I've worked at, other puff vinyls that I've worked with, I heat it at 280 for 10 seconds, a lot high pressure, and that was fine. This vinyl I had to do a little bit more work with it to get the right temperature setting. It does say on their packaging 140 to 150 Celsius. I don't heat in Celsius, I heat in Fahrenheit. So I don't know what this equals to in Fahrenheit. So I had to play around with it to get the right settings, which I figured out 310. And like they said, the 10 to 15 seconds, I did the 15 seconds and it was perfect. So overall, I do think this is a nice, I do think Yamation has a nice puff vinyl. I will leave their link down below. You either press show more or an arrow going down. Yeah, I think it's just show more or arrow going down, and that will open up the description box and you can see all the info that I have down there to share with you, and you can go over and check them out. They do have 2 packages. This one is the 6 sheets. They do have a pack, I believe, that comes with more. So I'll leave the link to both of them down below so you guys can go over and check them out. And they do have nice colors in their vinyl. Alright. That's all your girls got for you today. So I hope you will join me again on another Freestyle Wednesday. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.